guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am so sorry I've been gone for so long.
But I'm back, bitches.
Yes, today, as you can see, I'm going to be a devil for Halloween. I kind of tried a little bit with my decor in here, but I got Jack and Sally in the back, and I got a little spider web with
Spiders.
Let's get right into this. For my little headband today, I'm actually going to be using these clip-on devil horns, and I got them at Claire's for like $4.99. They're super cheap and they like don't fall off my head. I went to a Halloween party the other day and they're pretty sturdy. And I also already primed my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, just to get that base tacky and ready to go. So for today's look, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 150. I love this foundation. This is my favorite foundation in the world. I'm just gonna plop that everywhere. I need to get a new setup, guys. I am like filming with my back camera. I can't really see myself. I need help.
Hot in hell.
And then for concealer, I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light. The reason why I'm doing foundation and concealer first is because I want to do red all over my face, and I really don't care if like I have red fallout because I'm trying to go for that red skin, you know? And now to set my foundation and concealer, I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Butter. And just like an e.l.f. small tapered brush, I'm gonna okay, I'm just gonna pack this all over my face. For eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Eden, and it's been so long that I've forgotten all of my makeup, like the names and the shades. It's been forever, guys. I'm so sorry. I haven't even like worn makeup. Like and then with a Morphe like kind of blending brush, fluffy brush, whatever, I'm just gonna spread that out. And my brushes are dirty because I did this look already before, but these are the only brushes I'm gonna use for this video. First, I'm going to go in with this ColourPop Cosmetic Ultra Matte, I can't speak, Ultra Matte lip, liquid lip in the shade Self Love Club. And this is the Zoella with ColourPop collab. I love this red, but I'm going to go in and do it on my eyelid. A dot. And once I have that on my lids, I'm going to go in with the Morphe and James Charles palette. This monster. I'm going to use this red shade right here. It's called You're Kidding. On that same Real Techniques domed shadow brush, I'm going to grab quite a bit of it on the brush.
And I'm just gonna intensify that liquid again. I'm just kind of going for like a skin color, you know, not like.
Now that my eyes are done and blended, I'm going to just wipe off that extra setting powder. And then with that same Real Techniques domed shadow brush, I'm going to contour my nose with that same You're Kidding shade.
Just like. Just anywhere I would do like normal kind of.
That's why I said it doesn't really matter if you get it too into the corner, because I'm just gonna blend my nose like, you know, like just like a normal, like a skin. I like doing this on my eyebrows too. I'm gonna draw them in later, but this is just gonna give them that like extra red shade, and like it doesn't matter if you go above them a little bit.
Then when you look like that, a hot mess.
I'm gonna grab this Morphe flat blending brush, and I'm actually gonna go in that same shade. You're kidding, I told you it's only like one shade. And then blend it. I don't care if it goes in my hairline, just blend it in onto my temple, kind of like in my forehead, just like if we were normally contouring.
Making sure it's like a full mouth. Like this.
And then getting that smaller brush and doing like this little divot right here. Make it look like a devil chin. I don't know. And then with this brush, it's a setting brush, but I use it as a highlighting brush. Then I'm gonna go in the shade Literally. It's like a reddish, like shimmer shade. And I'm gonna highlight my face. Cause it's red, so anywhere that I didn't put red, there's still gonna be like shimmery, you know, it's kind of like, yeah, whatever, you know what I mean, guys.
And what did I tell you? That is it.
So for my lips, I'll be using the Zoella and ColourPop lippy pencil in the shade Bossy. And then I'm gonna use as a liquid lipstick, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lip in the shade Swoon. It's a metallic red shade. I've kind of had like an allergic reaction to it, but I love it so much that I don't care. So I'm just gonna put that all over my lips. I love this liquid lipstick. I'm going to go in with the Sex Kitten eyeliner. It's a black eyeliner by Tarte. For lashes, I'm gonna do the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and it's just a black shade. I think it's blackest black. And for my eyebrows, I'll just be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Auburn, and it's pencil. It's like an angled brow pencil with a spoolie in the back. And this is just to make like the ends of my eyebrows a little darker, because the front of them, I like them to be that like eyeshadow red. But I will be right back. I'm gonna do these off of camera. And there you go, guys. This is the completed look. Super easy, like super fun look. I actually love this Halloween look more than like any of my other Halloween looks, because it's just so easy and so fun and like very, very cute, and you definitely know what I am. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to try and post every weekend like I was before. Everyone put out your pinky fingers and pinky promise me, I pinky promise you, that I will be posting a video every weekend. I will try my hardest. So thank you guys for sticking with me and tuning back in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful, happy Halloween, and be careful out there in your parties and trick-or-treating and all that stuff, but have fun, be scary, be
evil.
just kidding, be kind. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see next, and turn on the little notification button so that every time I post a new video, you will know. See you on my next one, guys. Bye.